So, a couple of hours later, here we are. Now completed the first part. It rains quite heavily here, obviously those people who live here know that. So a bit of drainage around the top. That's why I've done the mounds up so high. Let the water just gather around just in case. Anyway, but that's what I've done so far. It took me just a couple of hours from there just to do that bit. But believe it or not, from here to here probably took me about a week, purely because the ground here was that hard and the sun, it was really hot. I was sweating buckets in the morning, in the evening, and it was hard work. But anyway, managed to get there. Now the next stage is to get topsoil, a little bit like what we've got up here, but I've got to go buy some bags and stuff. Can't really find anywhere free in Thailand for stuff like that. But anyway, that's the next stage. So we'll be doing that, and when I start laying it out, I'll let you know. And then I'll be doing a drip water system. So going from tap here all the way down here, getting a hose pipe, and then branching off onto here. I've got some free drip feeds, which the owners here have kindly said I can borrow. We're really lucky, by the way, to get a place like this. Very lucky, you know, and especially to have this part of the land. We were very lucky just to get this one. It was awesome. Anyway, the next stage here is basically get the hose as it comes to here, put some holes in, and the drainage system will come down here, and it will drip feeding. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll start showing you that next bit of procedure. Okay.